Ryan. What do you do on weekends?
Hi, Emma. I play football with my friends and watch movies. What about you?
I read books and cook with my mom. Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I do. I clean my room every Saturday. Does your brother help at home?
No, he doesn't. He plays video games all day.
That sounds like my cousin. By the way, can we talk about simple present tense?
Of course. The simple present tense talks about things we do every day, facts or habits.
Okay, I got it. So we say, I play football, or she reads books.
Yes. And for negative sentences, we use do not, don't, or does not, doesn't. Example, I don't like coffee. She doesn't play football.
Ah, I see. And what about questions?
For questions, use do or does at the beginning. For example, do you play football? Does she read books?
That's easy. Let me try. Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do. Good job, Ryan. Now it's your turn, friends. Write your simple present tense sentence in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Voice Box for more fun lessons.
See you next time. Bye.